Welcome to our exciting comparison of two leading countertop ice makers, the Electactic and the COWSAR. In today's video, we'll dive deep into their features, performance, and overall value to help you decide which one is the perfect fit for your needs. Both machines promise quick ice production and convenient self-cleaning functions, but they have distinct differences that could sway your decision. Let's get started. When it comes to price, the Electactic ice maker stands out as the more affordable choice at just $89. In contrast, the COWSAR ice maker comes in at $109. While both machines offer similar features, the price difference may influence budget-conscious buyers. Let's see how this impacts their overall value. In terms of energy efficiency, the COWSAR ice maker takes the lead with a power consumption of only 88 watts, making it a more eco-friendly option. On the other hand, the Electactic consumes a significant 300 watts. This difference not only affects your electricity bill, but also highlights the COWSAR's commitment to sustainability and quiet operation, making it ideal for noise-sensitive environments. When it comes to ice production speed, the Electactic ice maker excels, producing 9 bullet-shaped cubes in just 6 minutes. In comparison, the COWSAR produces 8 cubes in the same time frame. While both machines are quick, the Electactic offers a slight edge for those who prioritize speed in their ice-making needs. In conclusion, both the Electactic and COWSAR ice makers have their strengths and weaknesses. The Electactic is perfect for those looking for a budget-friendly option with faster ice production and versatility in ice sizes. Meanwhile, the COWSAR is ideal for users who value energy efficiency and a quieter operation. Whichever you choose, both machines will serve you well in keeping your drinks cool. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.